Hi guys, I'm Monisha, actress, best-selling author and speaker. Today I'm going to talk about 3 habits of highly successful people. So if you want to attract massive success in your life, this is what you've got to do. Number 1 habit of the highly successful people is prayer and meditation. Yes guys, it is as simple as that. When you start your day praying and meditating, you allow yourself to align yourself with the energy of the universe. That is the time when you become highly productive. That is the time to be aware of your intuition, to know what you really want in life. It's the time to know about yourself. That's how you let go of procrastination and you become highly productive. Ever since I've started the practice of meditation, different sorts of meditation, there are all sorts of meditation, guided meditation to very quiet meditation, to each his own. You can pick and choose your own meditation. There are hundreds and hundreds of meditations on YouTube. You pick your style and just start meditating, and it will welcome a different world to you, a world full of opportunities, peace and happiness. My life has radically transformed ever since I started meditating. The number 2 habit of highly successful people is exercise, guys. Exercise. Yes, the thing that you dread so much, the thing that you know you should do but you don't. But guys, if you want to be highly successful, this is the price that you have to pay. You've got to exercise. Not that exercise has something to do with what you are doing or what you want to do, but it definitely makes you a better person. It definitely makes you more productive. It definitely makes you more energetic. When you're more energetic and productive, you feel more fresh, you can think clearly, you have more time to give yourself and to your project or to your company. So that was number 2, exercise. Number 3 is read. Yes guys, every successful people in the world reads a lot. Most successful people reads a lot. Maybe not everyone, but 95% of the people read a lot of books. Books that will enhance your knowledge. Not fiction books, not entertainment books, but books that will enrich your knowledge. Books that will help you grow. Books that will push you. Books that will help you with ideas about the project, about the career that you have chosen. It will develop your awareness. So reading is a very good habit that will help you to attract success in your life, guys. These are 3 common habits that most successful people all over the world in every field has. So do you agree with these 3 habits? What habit do you currently have, and what habit would you like to develop? Leave in the comment below. I'd like to know about your habits. What other habits do you have that makes you successful? Please share with the world. Leave a comment below and share with the world about your success habits that has helped you become successful. Alright guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like the button and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified about my videos. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye.